Hello everyone, this is Prakash here from Logoland. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your logo presentable. Why do we need to make our logo presentable? Just listen to me. Because suppose if you created some sort of logo, you want to really present to your client, you just go and show him just like that. So it's not going to be that much impactful. Okay, so if you really want to make your logo convincing, so you have to make that presentable. So there's some sort of post process you have to do with your logo. So in this video, this is what I'm going to show you. So just stay tuned and be with me till end of this video. Thank you. I will see you in the video. Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your logo presentable and convincing to the client. So let's make this quick. So on the screen, you can see I'm in the Illustrator. I have an artboard that is blank. No, actually I have logo here on this artboard. So I'm going to use this logo to make it presentable and show you how to do it. So let's make it quick. So I'm not let me explain what I'm going to make so that you can have idea while watching this video what I'm going to do. So I will be making 3 to 4 slide. So in the first slide I will just have a logo only. Okay, in the second slide maybe I'm going to present the logo on t-shirt mockup. Okay, so that your client by seeing that logo on t-shirt come to know it will look like this. Okay, on another slide we can do one thing. We can present our logo on stationery part so that the client come to know how it will look actually on the stationery when he gets that printed out. On another slide you can go for set a logo on maybe on hat, on cat, sorry on cap somewhere. So this is how you can present. Okay, first let's make this quick. I'm going to have it on the center first, but just select the logo and come to the align and just horizontal line and the vertical align. Now it is in center. So here down here I'm going to add something, actually some story, thinking what actually in my mind I have created the logo. So obviously I have created the logo thinking heart, cat and dog in my mind, then clubbed it. So let client come to know about this story. So I have already created the heart. I just wanted to save our time. Already created the heart. So I'm going to take a text tool from here, just plus sign. I'm adding plus sign, make it large and add here. Let's change its font. I'm going for Gotham, Gotham, one of my favorite font. So let's add it here. So color, I just want this color actually. So select plus sign and press I on keyboard, or maybe you can come here and pick the color and take it. Just press Alt and drag. You are able to copy. Maybe you can go copy and paste here, or you can press Ctrl C and Ctrl V for copy paste. Just double click and select. I'm going to cat. So I'm going to copy this by pressing Alt key on the keyboard and then drag. Again copy this word. Let's turn this to a dog. So this is the actually story. This is the concept. This is my idea. Client will come to know by seeing I have used heart, cat and dog and combined. I think I need to take it little up so that. So here one thing you can add, that is color. I'm going to create little box, copy and make it on center. Select one of them and press I key to eyedropper and then pick this color. And I'm going to select this one and this one color. So this is how you can present actually a client. So make it little smaller, should be like this, and you take it little down. So now one more thing which we can do is we can extract this logo out of this one. So I'm going into the isolation mode. So I'm going to copy this and then paste in front. I'm taking the apart. I need to have it here with gray color. Maybe I'm going to pick the gray color. Sorry, mashed up, everything mashed up. So I'm going to remove these. Actually, let's remove, delete. Okay, select this one. I'm going to add this color. Okay, and then maybe you can add black color, black one. So take it to send any corner. I think in this corner I'm going to add this. Okay, so here I'm going to take the opacity down. So this is how you can do. Okay, the part is sticking out of the artboard. I think we should not be worried about this, because while I'm saving it as a JPG, maybe as a PDF, this part will not going to come in that. So it will look like this. Okay, I think according to me, this is the first slide. I made it ready for the client. Let's go for the another one. I'm pressing Control Shift to drag the artboard up. So this is the artboard on which I'm going to create the second slide. So what I'm going to do is, so let's move to the mockup. Actually, I have in here. So these are the three mockup already opened in my Photoshop application. The first one, I'm going to use this one. Okay, so this is where I'm going to stick my logo. So how to use the mockup? So whenever you download the mockup, so I will take one more class how to use the mockup and how to download the mockup. I will be taking that class also. So in this, what you have to do is, just here you can see, if you open this mockup, go to the addition, and here you place your logo element here, something like this you can see. So just click on this smart object icon. Just click on this. Here you can drop your logo. So switch this off. I'm going here in the Illustrator, just copy from here and come back to the Photoshop and then paste in. So just paste. So it is asking for, you want it to be smart object or pixel, path, whatever. I just want to have it as a smart object. Okay. So take it bit up on the same position actually where the last logo was. So I'm just going to press escape because it takes time to load. So now we have to click Control S to save. So in the mockup, this happens when you work over here and press Control S to save. So changes will reflect here. The logo is very small. I am not convinced with the size. So let's come here and make it large. I hope you have the understanding of Photoshop. Control S, and so we can make it even more large by, I think, select this folder, and then I think here we can make it more large. Okay, if we go and see, I think it is going blur out. I think blur. So let's switch off this blur option. That's great. So I just want this picture to be in my Illustrator. So what I have to do is, so I'm going to select all these layer and Control Shift Alt E for merge. Control Shift Alt E for merge. Remember the key, Control Shift Alt E. Now I'm going to select, Control click here and copy, and let's move back to the Illustrator and paste here. Sorry for interruption. Call came in between, so I'm going to make my phone silent so that I cannot get the call back. Sorry for interruption. So actually image is too big, that's why it is not taking here. So let's get back to the Photoshop. Okay, here Control D, and what we can do is, because we don't want the background part in this image we are seeing, I just want this girl, maybe just want this part. So make a selection over here like this. Okay, and come to the image and crop it. Okay, okay, copy, and come back to the Illustrator and then paste. Now we are able to, so we can position it here. I think I need to enlarge this because we need to show our logo on the t-shirt. Okay, so let me crop this. The part which I don't want to have it. Just crop, select this image and come here to crop it. Okay, then I think let's crop it out like this and enter. Okay, now we need to place our logo here again. I'm going to drag and copy. So place logo here, and you can also take these two things. So in the bottom, what we can do is we can make our logo horizontally. Let me show you. Just make a copy out of it and make it small. So I'm going in the isolation mode because it is group. So I'm going to cut. Oh. So Control Z. So select the whole object, cut, and come out of the isolation mode, then paste in front. Set it here. So why I'm doing so? So client can come to know this is how also a client use the logo, because on the website maybe client may find some difficulty to add this one because this is vertical. So if we show the client horizontal version of it, then client may be confused. Yeah, okay, he can also use this on website. So this is what we can do. So set it. I think we can enlarge this a bit. It's okay. Let's make the group. Set it here. Let it be. Okay. Now I'm going to create one more slide. So what we can do is press Shift O command on a keyboard and just copy Alt and Shift, or Shift for horizontally or vertically proper snapping, and Alt for copy. Okay. Now we don't need these. So what I'm going to do is, in this part I'm going to use another, I think this one, maybe this one, let's use this one, this mockup. So here what you are seeing, place your design here, just expand this, and here you are seeing place your design here, just click on this. Okay, and the problem is if you come here, color is very different, color is red. I think it's not gonna work. So let's change the color here. So I'm going to drop this logo into this. Okay, so let's switch this off. Let our logo be here. So I'm going to take pink color. I think I can click, and let's change the color to the pink one. This one, actually, this one. Let's add. The issue is our logo is not enough visible. Obviously not going to visible on the pink. I just want to have white version. So let's come back to the Illustrator. Let's make one, copy this one, and what we can do, so let's go inside And let's go inside, select all these part. Okay, and I'm just making them little gray, and these line must be in the white color actually. Okay, I know we are unable to see it. Let's check what I and click this. So I'm going to make this text white color as well. Okay, so this is what we have. I think let's let's make it transparent. I think copy, come back to the Photoshop and then paste here a smart object, make it smaller. Okay, enter, escape key, so I think copy again, let's switch that off and paste smart object. Yeah, this is what we want actually. So I think I'm going to darken this pink color. So in order to do that, I'm pressing Ctrl U for hue saturation, so we can saturate it and little dark, so that logo could be visible even more. Now here we have press Ctrl S for save. Let's go. What we have here, I think that's great. Now we need to change logo here also. So on the white version, so I'm going to take same logo. So click here and switch this off. Where is our logo? The logo is here. So we need to make sure. Okay, let's drag and drop here. Control T. So let this. And what? Let's switch our logo off for a while. On this, I'm just going to cover with the white color. Actually, I don't need this one. And we can consider this dummy characters, dummy letters actually. Make it smaller one. Here, if you think, you can use our horizontal logo version that we have created in Illustrator. Just press Ctrl S to save it. Let's check what we have right now. I think it is going a little up. Take it down. Press Ctrl S. Let's see this. Sorry. On this one. So this is what we have. I need to take it more down. I think select both and take them down. Okay. I think let's create one more layer, bring that down and add white color. Save. Okay, here we go. I think it should be even more saturated, or this color. I think this color. Control U and make it like this, and Control S for save. This one, now it is looking good. So I'm going to take this. So first, what you have to do, just select all the layer and press Ctrl Shift Alt E on your keyboard. Ctrl Alt Shift plus E to make merge. So now Control click, Control C for copy, and let's go back to the Illustrator and paste here. Okay, so this is what we have. Make it to center. Make it to the center actually. Center it and then enlarge. So I'm going to crop this image actually. This one, I think this part to be visible. select, come to the property, crop image here, select this one and enter. Very easy. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my logo here. Okay, let's add our logo. I think we need to add logo in dark form, dark color, with the dark color actually. Let's make it smaller, bring it here and go inside, select both and make it black, because we need to show client in black version also. Client should, okay, let's press I key to pick color. Okay, select all these and pick color, come out of it now. So these are not enough visible, so let's go inside and press. You can if you really want to select these elements, okay, with instead of going one by one, better to go for this marquee selection tool, set the value 1. I think now you are able to select all the elements in one go. So let's decrease its transparency. Press Y key and select back again. I think that's good. So here you can have a logo like this, maybe up here. So what you can do, you can take this logo, copy and paste. You can have a separate logo, just logo, not name, for the client. And in between, what you can do is just take a rectangle tool and create a separator. Separate could be of this color, I think. Okay, make it size a little more. So I think this is our third slide. So last slide, what we can do is, in the last slide, I think let's go and copy this. Okay, and let's get back to the Photoshop. Here is the last slide. And I'm going to just closing these windows as I don't need anymore, because these windows are diverting. So let's, okay, now need to work on this. This is one of the mockup I have downloaded from the internet. So let's change design here. So here you can see your logo and your logo. So we need to replace this element with our original logo. So what we have to do is just come here, change your design here, expand this group. So here you read business card front. So let's business card front, and this one, I think. One more thing, color is not matching. Here's the orange color, but the color of our logo is in pink color. So how to convert it to a pink color? So it is very easy. In one snap you can do it. What you have to do is, let's come here and take UN saturation. Okay, let's see where it is. Make sure it is on all of layer, above on all of layer. Okay, it should be at the topmost position. Let's go to the property. Here you can play with U. I think this one will work. Okay, in one go we are able to turn the color into the pink one. So now time to change the logo. So I'm just going to click on I think first start with, I think this one, front business card. Click here. Okay, just cancel. I'm going to cancel this because these fonts we don't have actually. That's why that error warning was coming. So here we need to place our logo. So here we need to place our logo. Let's check where's the logo. I'm just going this auto select on, so that I just click and come to know about this one and this one, both these. Let's switch them off. Paste. I already copied so I'm going to paste. Now press escape and make it small. Here we need to I don't need to change in their color, because we already changed the color. In place of this vertical logo, we can have horizontally also. Let's press Ctrl S, check. I think a horizontal one will look better here, I think. So I'm going to copy this one. Copy and then paste. Enter. Escape key. Ctrl T. Make it small. Okay. We don't need this. So keep it here. Now we can enlarge this also. Press Ctrl S. Save it. I think this is okay. Now we are going to actually on the back side. We are going to do it on the back side. Double click on the back side. Ignore the warning. So let's check this one and click on here. This one. Let's switch them off. Select the logo, main. Come back to the Photoshop. Paste, smart object, enter. We need actually a white version here, I think. I think there's an issue. Let me go and check what's going on. Okay, I need a white version here, actually, white version of the logo. So I think we need to go back there. Here we created the white version. No worry, I'm going to copy this one. Let's go back inside, select this one and make it white, and press Y. Select all these part. Need to take them back. Take the opacity back down. Select black part, actually black one, by pressing Y key, marquee selection tool, and make them white. Okay, so this is a white version. Select and copy them and paste here. Paste. Smart. Click. Escape key. Make them smaller. So I think it's a little, might be a boring process, but we need to do it to convince our client. After all, what we have created, it should go to the client in well way. So now we need to change our logo here. I think horizontally will look good. So in Letterhead, I think eraser, notebook. Let's see. Here close envelope. Let's click on the envelope. Let's change envelope. Here I think envelope. Here we can add the logo somewhere here. I'm going to switch that off. I don't need this. So here we can, and this is one, we can come back here. Okay, copy again, come back here and then paste. Smart object, sorry, not this one, this one. Copy and then paste. Control T for transform tool. Then we need it here, actually. Okay, Control T. I think we don't need this. It is not required here. I'm going to place our logo here. So make sure it is in the proportion. Now press S for save. I think here in an envelope, here you can see. Okay, in this notebook, plus here in we can change the letterhead. So we have to check where the letterhead, actually. business card, back, and eraser, letterhead, pencil, notebook. So I think here is the notebook, this one. Click here, and we can add horizontally or whatever we like. So I'm going back here. I'm going to have this one actually, and then paste. Okay. Enter, press escape key, control T to make size smaller, and then place here. We have to make sure logo should not be too much smaller, it should not be too much large. It should be in the proportion of the thing which have been given to here. So save, come here. So you can see it has been updated here. Now lastly we need to have logo here. So obviously I'm going to place horizontal version. Let's come here and copy this horizontal version. Come back to the Photoshop here. Maybe I need let's close these. Actually we don't need these. Close, because windows are not worthwhile for us. They will be disturbing us. Change here, I think. Yeah, cancel it and paste. Okay, enter. So we don't need this. Switch that off. We don't need. Switch it off. Let's add our logo. Okay, you may find even more better mockup on the internet. If you go and check, you need to just type on Google free stationery mockup design, so you can have much better than this. So press Ctrl S key. It is so small, need to make it large actually. So press Ctrl S key to save. I think here we go. I think I'm okay with this design. So what I'm going to do is in the last mockup we have selected all the layers all together. So what we have to do is press Ctrl Shift Alt key plus E. So here we are having this a whole image. Control click on the thumbnail, copy and paste in Illustrator. So first we need to create one more artboard. I'm just going to copy this, and don't need this one, and then paste somewhere here. Make it large. Let's make it large. Okay, I don't think we need to add a logo somewhere here. I think we don't need these content. Just get rid of these content, extra content. I don't need these. So this is how you can make your logo presentable. So let's save this as a PDF, and let's see how it looks. Click file menu. Here we can click on the save as, and PDF. I'm going to save this on desktop. Patlove Logo Presentation, Presentation, presentation. Okay, save. File has been heavy little, so it is taking too much time in saving. Let's go back to the desktop and check. So here are the slide actually. You can see we can make them smaller. So that's all for this video. I hope you understood very well how to make your logo presentable. So next time whenever you are going to create logo and you need to present to your client, this is how you can present. So there's a ton of mockups available on different objects on the internet, free of cost. So you can go and take the help of them to make it presentable. So thank you for this video. I hope you like this video very much. So what are you waiting for? Let's make this video viral by sharing everywhere. And I hope you have learned from the video, and just let me know what you have learned from this video by commenting in the comment box down there. If any of you didn't subscribe so far, go and subscribe my channel so that you can get even more updated videos, because I have the list of the content that going to be proved very helpful and relevant for you. So thank you. I will see you in the next video.